That black mold.
Yeah.
That's disgusting, man. What's up? What's up? I'm your builder guy, and check this unit out. Victor picked this up at the auction, and this is what we call a protester special at the auction. Check this unit out. You won't believe how much he paid for it. You ready? He paid $1,500 for it, and the only damage is a couple of windows are busted out. You got some damage here, here. Has 143,000 miles on it. It's running really good. Check this out. It's a V10. Look at the damage there out front. I'm sure there's going to be deals like this to be caught at the auction. Let me step back. Look at this. $1,500. What a beast. Yes, this is awesome. It's a dually in the back as well. Check this out. Tires aren't too bad either. Sounds good. Yeah. All right, let's check this thing out, man. Victor, good job, man. Oh, what's up? That's pretty dope. It doesn't smell too good in here. Let's see. Looks pretty good, man. Everything's kind of beat up. I mean, for 2002, it's not too terrible, but hey, look at the headroom here. Nice. All right, we got a sink. We got a stove here, fridge. Did you try to open this thing yet? Vic. Yo, did you try to open this?
Yes.
No. You haven't? Oh, push. There we go. I'm trying to pull on it. Not too shabby. Definitely needs some work. Some fixing up. We got some shattered glass. Bed's not too bad. I think this is a queen. Looks pretty good. Hey, we even got a TV. Nice. Yeah, definitely a good unit, man. See, this is a perfect example of how you can get a nice little steal at the auction. Oh, this is pretty cool. What is this? Oh, these are different type of knots. Nice, man. He's gonna have a nice little van to go to the beach to go fishing now. Dude, this is cool, man.
Look at this.
Where? Oh yeah, again, different type of knots and nice. This was a veteran, I believe, Marine veteran. This was his unit. Not sure the history on it, but a couple of damaged windows. You got a generator? Yeah, let's check out that generator. I'm very surprised this thing is running the way it is. No check engine lights. Yeah, man. Definitely a steal. Definitely. So you guys just got to keep sitting on those auctions and you'll find something for sure at a decent price. Doesn't smell too bad. I mean, there is some smell, but okay, how does this open up? Oh, there we go. Nice. These are all push buttons. Got some junk in the drawers. Yeah. What a unit. Nice. All right, let's check out what we got going on out here. Hey, Vic. Where you at, man? Vic, where's the generator? Still in place? Nice. Check that out. I got some work to do here. If you guys want to see the rebuild process on this, let me know down below. Oh, and as well, if you want to see the actual receipt from the auction, follow me on Instagram. I'll link it there. Batteries are dead. All right, gotta get new batteries.
This is
To the cabin.
no. This
Uh-huh.
go to the up.
Okay, I got you. To lift? Okay. Tanks, gotta definitely empty out the sewage tanks right now. Shower hose, everything looks pretty good. And this is aluminum, I believe. Is this aluminum or fiberglass? I think it's fiberglass, man. Yeah, it's fiberglass. Yeah. Not bad damage, man. Just this, that, in the front. Ready to go. Did you try the awning? See if it opens up? Battery's dead? Definitely got to work on those batteries. What's up with this?
I don't know.
Just opened, exposed?
Yes.
Yeah, boys. I think Victor did a really good job picking this thing up. It's called a ISATA, Isetta, I guess. $1,500. Got a motorhome. Good job. Good job, man. Let's check under the hood here. Everything looks pretty standard. That's gonna be a pain to work on, Vic, if anything fails here. You can't see anything here. Woo. But it runs good, man. Let's check out the goodies in here. Got a whole bunch of stuff. Hey, what we can do, we can connect the power cable straight to that plug by the RV. I think I have a second one, and we could see if this thing runs. Water heater's in place, right? Oh, come on. Oh, gotta kill them. Water heater's in place. And this is your, Vic, this is your fridge. Check this out. Yeah, you got some more wasps in here. I mean, let's see. Yeah, that one, look at that. Is that the queen? That's a nasty one. I ain't trying to be close to it. You got your water filter right there. Yeah, definitely needs a little tune-up, man, before you start taking it anywhere. Let's open this thing up. Why isn't that? You got the key for it? Dude, that's a pretty cool key. Nice. What do we got in here? Got some bleach. Hey, look, kill the wasps with that. See if it might do it. Yeah, nice, man. Let's go inside real quick. I wanna be more thorough. See what we can see in there. We got all the controls here. A busted up window here. Nice little closet area. Sink here. And so no sink here. The sink is in the mattress in the bedroom. Did you check underneath here?
Nope.
You want to pick it up? See what we got? Just some storage. What is that? Black mold?
Yeah.
That's disgusting, man. You gotta get that out.
Heater.
Nice, got a heater. Whole bunch of junk in here. A little vacuum cleaner. Gotta do something about these floors, man. Hey, nice iron. Dude, you got everything here. Literally everything. That's what's up.
For $1,500.
$1,500, man. That's what I'm talking about. Nice, man.
This is for the fishing.
Yeah, fishing poles. Yeah. You're just set up, man. Just ready to rock and roll. Go to the coast and have a wonderful time. You want some playing cards? You got some in the shower. Yeah, I want to get some power in here. Let's try to do that. Let's get some power in here and then we'll see how this goes. Well, congratulations. Very good job. Now you got a nice rig for yourself. And everybody, give Victor a big old thumbs up down below. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. The Veloster is complete. The SRT4 is complete. I'll have the Veloster video soon. The SRT video is probably going to end up going on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.